It's happy I'm back. I just went to fill up my gas tank since it was payday. Might as well, while I have the most money I'll have for a while, fill up the tank. I'll start class pretty soon. I had snack wraps for lunch. And in the first short, oh, there's Richard. And in the first short today, I talked about, well, actually, the first short after work, I talked about what's going on in class. Basically, there's a quiz soon, there's some labs, and then an exam. But there's also videos and readings in between all of those. The labs are optional, but